Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common challenge faced by many developers working with legacy systems, particularly those using Visual Basic 6 VB6. Have you ever found yourself wondering how to check if an Excel file is open in VB6? Maybe you're migrating an old application or integrating new functionality into a vintage system. Whatever the case, knowing how to interact with external applications like Excel is crucial for seamless integration and avoiding potential errors. In this video, we'll delve into the world of VB6 and explore how you can find the code to check if an Excel file is open. We'll break down complex concepts into simpler parts and use relatable examples to ensure that by the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of the process involved. To begin with, it's essential to understand the basics of how VB6 interacts with external applications like Excel. The key lies in understanding APIs, application programming interfaces, and knowing which ones are at your disposal when working with VB6. When looking to interact with an Excel file, you're likely to come across two main APIs, the Excel Object Library and the Windows API. For our purposes, we'll focus on using the Excel Object Library, as it provides a straightforward way to check if an Excel file is open. The process involves creating an instance of the Excel application, then iterating through its workbooks to find your target file. However, before diving into this, you need to ensure that the necessary references are set in your VB6 project. This involves going into your project's references and checking for the Microsoft Excel Object Library. With the library referenced, you can start writing code that interacts with Excel. The logic typically starts by late binding the Excel application object. From there, you check if any workbooks matching your criteria are open, perhaps by name or path. It's a bit like searching for a specific book in a library. Once you find it, you can perform various actions on it. But in our case, simply finding it or determining it's not there answers our initial question of whether the Excel file is open. Understand how VB6 interacts with external applications through API. The Excel Object Library provides a direct way to interact with Excel files. Ensure you have the necessary references set in your project. Use late binding for the Excel application object if early binding isn't feasible due to versioning issues. Checking if an Excel file is open from VB6 might seem daunting, but by understanding how to leverage APIs and specifically focusing on the Excel Object Library, you can achieve this with relative ease. Remember, the key is in referencing the right libraries and knowing how to navigate through the application's object. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about finding code to check open Excel files in VB6 or any other related topics, please ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content on software development and programming challenges.